Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the vLLM. Okay, so what exactly it is? So vLLM is like a super efficient kitchen for the AI tools. It helps them serve more customers, users at the same time using the same equipment, that is GPUs. So, vLLM is an open source tool that runs large language models like Llama, Mistral, Quinn on your servers and makes them run much faster than the default tools. It's the software that sits between your app and the AI model. Make sure that the AI responds quickly to many users at once. If an AI model is the chef, vLLM is the restaurant manager. Okay, and deciding which orders to start, which to deliver, and how to keep the kitchen running at the full speed without anyone waiting too long. So why do we need it? Running an AI model is expensive, right? GPUs cost thousands of dollars. Without a vLM, most of that expensive hardware sits idle waiting around. So the problem is AI model eat up GPU memory and generate text one word at a time, slow and the wasteful. The cost companies pay huge cloud bills just to serve handful of users per GPU. The fix vLM user uses smart tickets to fit more users on the same GPU, saving money and speeding things up. Imagine paying for a 50-seat restaurant but only serving 5 customers at a time. vLM lets you to fill all the 50 seats. So this is a difference. How much faster? Compared to the standard tools like Hugging Face transformers, vLM is dramatically faster. Same GPU, same model, but 10 to 20 times more user served. That's why nearly every AI company uses the vLM today. Key features: so smart memory, non-stop batching, drop-in placement for the OpenAI, many GPUs, one model. So instead of reserving huge chunks of memory for each user, vLM hands out small pieces only when needed, much less waste. When one user finishes, a new user instantly takes their place. GPU never sits idle. In your code already calls ChatGPT, you just change one URL and it now runs your own model. Many GPUs, one model. Need to run giant model, vLM can split it across multiple GPUs automatically. Who should use vLM? Okay, vLM is a great fit if you're building chatbots, AI agents, AI SaaS product. Anyone who needs to share one AI model with many users at the same time. If it's just for you on your laptop, you don't need vLM. How easy to use it? So this like how to install and everything we will discuss in coming sessions. Like, so it's plugging in a coffee machine, power on, hit start, and you are serving. Okay, so what is takeaway? What it is: an open source tool that runs AI models on your servers fast and efficiently. Why it matters: some same hardware, 10 to 20x more users served, massive cost saving. Who uses it? Anyone running AI for multiple users, chatbots, agents, and the SaaS products. How to start: two commands, people install then run, works with any open source mode. So this is the vLM part, and the vLM says met. So these are the models, so it will start running on it. We will try. Okay, so I hope you understand what exactly the vLM. After that we'll do the setup of it and let's check the performance and efficiency of that one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.